Or don't hit me with that.
I'm not going to hit you, but it's going to be coming towards you.
I'm videoing you.
Wow, that's gay.
Gavin, now I can't post that because I've got gay friends on Facebook. Stop! Y'all are so evil.
Where did I hit you, Dad?
Why don't you kick a hole in my igloo? Kick a hole in your footsteps. No.
Who did that?
Where did I hit you, Dad?
What?
Where did I hit you?
Hit me right there. Stop.
Hi.
Hi.
What?
The little little wonderland.
It's been ruined by the children.
Yes.
You've been around that. I don't want to stack it somewhere.
You know what? Last year I cut it right off into the
I'm going to take video of us going off the ramp.
Okay.